Hello friends, this is Griselle from Griselle'S Cakes. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I put together strawberry cheesecake shooters. They're a small dessert. They will be on these small cups that I found at the Dollar Tree. There's this style or this one. They're very small, but that will be for a candy table or a sweet table that you can actually put as a dessert. Dollar Tree also sells these small spoons. There are 24 spoons for $1, which is not bad, and you can place them on the shooters. So I will be taking you step by step on how I made the glaze, the no-bake cheesecake, and the crumbs. So stay tuned and don't forget to give me the thumbs up. Thank you for watching. So the very first thing that I'm going to be doing is taking my strawberries and I'm going to be cleaning them. They're already washed. So I'm just gonna take this part out. They are frozen because usually that's what I do. I froze my strawberries so they last longer, and then I just as I need it, I will be pulling them out of the freezer. Here I will be cutting the strawberries now. Let me cut this piece. I don't know if you ever have tried strawberry jam from scratch, but it's really good. It's better than the store-bought from the jar. These ones are much better. So I need 2 cups of the strawberries. And I need 1/3 cup of the white sugar. But in my case, I like to use the cane organic sugar, so that's what I'm using, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. I'm gonna take you step by step how I'm gonna be making my shooters. Here's 2 cups of strawberries from the fridge, 1/3 cup of white sugar, but I use the cane sugar, and I'm gonna need 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Now I need to place the strawberries on a pot. I'm gonna heat on medium. Add the 1/3 cup of sugar and 1 teaspoon of the vanilla extra. And I just need to let it heat in a low medium, and it will come into like a paste basically. And I'm sure it will be delicious. So I just need to wait for a few minutes until the sugar start melting. And it's already melting, as you can see, and even the strawberries will get their juice, their natural juice. I'm just gonna let it sit for like maybe 2 minutes. So you just need to let it boil into a medium heat, and it will turn into basically like a puree. As you can see, all the natural juice from the strawberries are releasing. Now I'm gonna get the heat to maybe like a high medium, and then let it sit and boil. Now the strawberries begin to boil, so I'm just gonna let it boil for maybe 4 minutes. So I will put the timer now and let them boil. One thing I forgot to mention is once your strawberries begins to boil, turn the heat to a low medium, that way they don't burn, and just let them boil for about 4 minutes. Now my strawberry jams are ready. It's been 4 minutes, so I'm gonna turn off the heat, and this is how they look like. Very delicious. So I'm gonna let it cool for about 20 minutes or so, and then I'm going to proceed to the next step. Now that the strawberries has cooled off, I will be taking the jam and putting them through the colander just to get a thinner paste. And also, if you want little pieces of the strawberries, you can actually add it too. It looks really good. If the jam is not thick enough for the recipe that you're making, you can always add half teaspoon of the cornstarch to your strawberries and then boil them. That's what I'm doing in here, because I think it was a little bit too runny. Just put it in low medium and just boil them for a little bit, for maybe 3 minutes, and that's it. And here it got a little bit thicker with the half teaspoon of the cornstarch, and now it's ready to go. Okay, now I'm gonna make the cream cheese base, and here I have 8 ounces cream cheese. I'm cutting them into pieces, and just place it on my mixer, and it is at room temperature, so it will be easier to mix. I will be adding 1 cup of powdered sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. This is how it looks like after 4 minutes. It's very creamy. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to make the whipped cream from scratch, and that is heavy cream, heavy whipping cream, 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar, and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I will be whipping this on a medium high. Just to combine, then I will put it in high. I mix it for about 3 minutes, I would say, 3 to 4 minutes. I forgot to mention that. So now our last step for making all the layers for the shooters, it will be graham crackers, and we will be putting them on our food processor. So okay, now I melt some butter, and I have my graham crackers. So I will be mixing both together, and this will be the first layer for my cheesecake shooters. And that's just to give a little moist to the graham crackers and keep them in place, basically, on the bottom of the cup. So now I have my graham crackers. This will be my first layer. I have my cream cheese base. I have my strawberry jam. I have my whipped cream. And I have some fresh strawberries to put on the top. Okay, now I have everything in place. I have my graham crackers again. I just sliced some strawberries, fresh strawberries. I have my strawberry jam. I have cream cheese. And I have whipped cream. So these are the small cups that I will be using for that, for our shooters. So I will be taking a little bit of graham crackers, place them on the bottom, just like this, on each cup. And again, these small cups, they are on the Dollar Tree for $1. Now that the cups have the graham crackers, I will be adding the cream cheese. It's a little bit thick because it was on the refrigerator. I will be adding the fresh strawberry jam. So far, this is how they look like. Very pretty. Now I will be adding the whipped cream on top. You can also add fresh strawberries in here and then the whipped cream, and but it's good. The strawberry jam is fine. Just like that, and then the fresh strawberry on top, just like that. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me the thumbs up. Thank you for watching. I see you next time. Bye bye.